Hello guys, this is Thomas from Finate, and today we're going to take a look at my intraday trades. For this time I chose a video because when I post screenshot, TradingView won't allow me to post anything under 15 minutes, and since I mainly use 2 or 5 minute candles, I think it's better for you to see the market as I did at that time. So let's get started. First trade I took today was in UPS. So the stock gapped up and then crashed. So actually I originally wanted to take it over 97.50. But then I saw it pulled down to a support area, which you can see there is a swing high here. And also if you take a Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to today's opening price, it was sitting there at the 0618 level. Market started to move slightly up, so that was a good sign. So over 95 I wanted to take it long, so I got a fill at 95.04. And then it just reversed, and I had a stop loss of 80 cents, so it took me out here, and then for the rest of the day laughed in my face, literally. But it's okay, you know, good trades can also fail, so no hard feelings. Second one was the only short I took today. It was a really beautiful setup, which I didn't play to its full potential, as you will see here. So the stock gap down. I have prepared my support and resistance lines. So under this line here I wanted to take it short, so I did at 29.62. It did a really minor pullback and then just dropped. My original profit target was 2 to 1, so with 20 cents stop I aimed at 29.22. Yeah. Okay, so I took half of the position at 29.21, I think, so extra 1 cent. And after seeing that even though the S&P started to rise and the AT&T kept declining or moving sideways, I thought, okay, so let's take it down to 29 whole number. But that was really a mistake from my part, because it almost to the tick made it to my other support line, and also from a higher time frame you would see it had a really good support there. So I missed my chance. I hoped it would continue to the 29, but it started behaving just like the S&P, and eventually I closed the other half of my position at break even, so that gave me just a slightly over 1 to 1 on this trade. So the third trade I did today was in NVAX. Again, it gapped up. I had 2 levels prepared here. I wanted to take it long over 1660, and I knew I had a room to about 1770. So a really nice area over $1, which is not bad for $16 stock. So when I saw it pulled back to my support and the market kept going lower, as you can see up there, and NVAX still held, I took the opportunity and entered long at 1675, which was around here. I had 40-cent stop loss, so somewhere here. So this little mess really did nothing, and eventually it woke up. So my only concern was, as you can see, the volume down here was really dwindling, so it was all up to the bigger players to step up and push it higher, which was my anticipated direction. So as you can see, the moment S&P bottomed down, it really rallied. So my first target was at this area. Actually, it was around here, 1755 or something. So that was 2-1. I took half of my position, and seeing the strength it had, I let the other half run, and I sold it just before break of the 18, because it really seemed that it was really extended at the time, and the market was slowing. So I thought, okay, let's be a little bit safe. So eventually I got a 2-1 on my money, and that was really a nice trade. And the last one later this day was in pins, and I took it over 1690 because it formed a really nice flat top. It was hugging the 21 exponential moving average, and overall it formed a really nice triangle. So I took it here long, expected to break the highs and use the shock from that to get my 2-1, but eventually after few attempts it broke down completely and took me out on the stop, which was 20 cents lower at 1670. So all in all, I'm up like 1.5% for today. For the whole week so far, I'm up like 2%, which is not really good, but it's positive. So yeah, nothing to complain about. Tomorrow is the last trading day of this week, so we'll see how it goes. So for example, last week I ended up at +8. Was really one of the better weeks. So, you know, if I hit 3 winners, it will be up there. If I don't, doesn't really matter. Only thing I care about is that over time I am profitable and I don't fall too far down into the drawdown. So let me guys think what you think about this format. Let me know what you traded today, and I will see you guys tomorrow.